You know, something that increases our confidence is praise. When somebody praises us, oh wow, you are an amazing person, increases your confidence. So how do you do that? You give compliments to others, because when you compliment somebody else, you ultimately increase your own confidence. That's how nature rewards. So you always compliment others. Wow, you look amazing. Oh, you look wonderful. Oh, what a wonderful jacket. Oh, you look awesome. Oh, you are amazing. You speak really well. You talk very well. Oh, I'm really impressed the way you engage in conversations, the way you communicate. I really appreciate, I really like it, I really admire it. Something like that. You keep saying this and you are giving suggestions to your mind. So when you praise somebody, you are giving suggestions to your mind, and you will feel good about yourself, you will feel confident about yourself. And what happens? Other people will praise you. When other people will praise you, you will feel confident. Remember guys, I was not like this. I was very low in confidence, and one of my mentors once said, you are a wonderful speaker. Once he said that, my whole body language, my whole self concept changed. And I realized that he's right. My confidence is down because nobody was praising me. People were saying bad things about me and I was believing them. Remember, it doesn't matter what people say about you. That's not your reality. What people say about you is not your reality. Your reality is what you think about your own self, what you say about your own self, what you think about your own self, what you feel about your own self. That's the reality. Your reality is not defined by other people. Don't let anyone else define you. Don't let anyone else define your reality. Whatever anyone else is saying about you is not your problem. No, whatever anyone else says or thinks about you is not your problem. You are not defined by others. Whatever somebody says about you is not your reality. Your reality is what you feel about you. Had I believed what people in my life thought about me and believed about me, I would have been a zero today. I would have been nothing today. I would have never ever achieved anything in my life, because initially I was also believing them. And I thought I will never be able to achieve anything. That's what, and I started believing it until this person praised me and he said, you are a wonderful communicator. My whole body language. Really? You can do it. You can do it. His encouragement encouraged me more. My uncle encouraged me. He said, you can do it. Change my confidence level. Really? He thinks I can do it? Started to change my mindset. And I really started to see that I can do anything I want. I changed everything in my life. So I want you to remember, if you are not feeling confident about your own self, give confidence to others. Nature will give confidence back. Say that to others, that you can do it. You can do it. You are encouraging other people. What do you mean by encouraging? You know that encourage means to insert courage in other people. So encourage other people. When you insert or induce courage in somebody, you actually induce courage in your own self. You feel brave, you feel confident as well. So the best way is to encourage other people. Encourage other people, and in return you will feel encouraged, you will feel confident. So say, yes, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Just make it a mantra. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. And you are giving a suggestion to yourself. You can do it too as well. And when anyone says, oh, it's so difficult, you say, you can do it. If anyone says it's tough, you can do it. It's hard. You can do it. I know you can do it. I know your personality. You can do it. And your confidence level will go up as well. This person's confidence level will change as well. You will change other people's life. If by just saying you can do it to somebody, you can change somebody's life. Imagine the impact you can create in other people's life. And you praise somebody, yet you are awesome, and these words change somebody's life, just like somebody's praise changed my life. You can change other people's lives. Yes, you can change other people's lives. Think about that. By just encouraging other people, saying positive things, not only just you are increasing your confidence, you are changing other people's life. And when you know you are changing other people's life, your words and your service, or the way you deal with people, is changing other people's life. Imagine the confidence level you will have. Your confidence level will further go up when you realize, when your eyes see and your mind also sees that you are changing other people's lives, your confidence level goes up. With this video, I know that somebody's life will be changed. Somebody's life will be affected in a positive manner. Somebody will start to feel confident, and that's why I'm feeling more confident and energetic. I don't want to finish this video. All of this comes because I know that people's lives will be changed. So do something that impacts people's lives. It will increase your confidence level. Another way you can increase confidence is by doing the right thing all the time. Always do the right thing, whatever is the right thing to do. Always, whenever you are in a dilemma where you don't know what is the right thing to do, ask yourself, put your hand on your heart and say, is it the right thing to do? If the answer is yes, do it. If the answer is no, don't do it. If you are still confused, talk to people who are sincere, who are ethical, who are moral. Ask them, is it the right thing to do? I'm confused. Is it the right thing to do? They say, everyone says, no, it's not the right thing to do. Now calculate, think about it. Always do the right thing. You will feel confident. you will have peace of mind. By doing always the right thing to do, you will have no worries, no stress. You will have good sleep at night just by doing the right thing all the time. Just make it your daily routine, a habit, a mission in your life to always do the right thing. And I'm telling you, you will feel confident. You will have your high self esteem. You will feel good about yourself. You will respect yourself. You will have peace of mind and peace of heart all day long. You will have no fear in your life if you just if you develop the habit of doing the right things every day all the time, and you will have good sleep, peaceful sleep at night.